AVAX is also one of these 1-2 setups. I mean, we've now reached the price regions. I've been talking about, for weeks now, maybe even months. We are now, no, not months. No, not months, but last 4 weeks, right? When we formed the top here, that is the support area we wanted to see the price reach. And we've got some of the, I think, best reward to risk opportunities in the sector now that we'll have for quite some time. Can I guarantee an upside reversal? Absolutely not. And at the moment, while I record this update, there is absolutely zero evidence that a low has formed. However, it is good to see that the market is following the projected downtrend from the 12th of May high. I mean, the market formed a 5-wave move up. We talked in previous videos about the idea that this here would be an A wave or a wave 1. Okay, so then we were watching for this correction. It played out perfectly so far, at least, yeah.